Thiko ikumi mbere ya githurano kinene giukite na kamiti ya githurano IEBC niranire waraganu hindi ya giathi gia tariki 8 wa kanana. IEBC ikiranira gutina ikia akura akuma kanyita itemi hindi ya giathi kiu oriri andu 5,300 marerikana niyo makuite na mario register ya ikia akura.
The IEBC has put in place a foolproof system that will not only identify voters biometrically, but will also ensure that the ones who are passed on will not turn up on the August 8th election.
No mehariria ma IEBC ni mathanganeirio ni Dr. Ekuru Aukot makia magetha Dwelans agikirira ngajo ucabithio wa marathini mao president.
By the time the observers reached the printing press at 3 p.m. on 27 July 2017, about 95%, if not more, of the printing work for the presidential ballot papers had been completed and packed in various pellets ready for export to Nairobi. No agent therefore supervised the printing, and we could not tell for sure that there were no mischief.
There's no monkey business here. It's a transparent process, and each and every ballot paper will be accounted for.
Kamiti no ikiranira gutiri na uhotekeku o mothe wa maratathi makiria kuongerereka kuona ati teknolojia irahuthika kahinda-ini gaka ni kuonania ginyagia muigana wa aria makeyumiria gwikia kura. Kabuni ithatu cia ukinyaniria guku bururi-ini nicio ikahuthika mugaru na kabuni imwe mwaka-ini wa 2013.
Now we have provided for satellite transmission in each of those centers, 290 tallying centers at constituencies and the 47 counties. So in the worst case scenario that anything happens, we should still be able to transmit results without a problem.
Kamiti no ningi kiranira gutiga korono haguku wa mitambo ya ukinyaniria na maafitha IEBC aria makanyitanira hari uici wa kura makirutirwo mukana wa kiwatho making'etherwo ni kioho kia mwaka umwe kana faini ya shilingi milioni 1.
As a commission, we shall not protect a staff who make Kenyans not have a free, fair and credible elections, and our staff are very cognizant of that fact.
IEBC ni gigitanyo guthangania githurano kia igeria Jumatatu yukite. Igeria riri rirongoreirie kugeria teknolojia ya gutuma mumirira ma githurano kiu. Kiraniro gia kamiti no ya IEBC ni ati giathi gia tariki 8 wa kanana ni gakorwo na utheri na waraganu. No kuhingio gwa kirano giki ni gweterera thikũ 10 kuma riu riria giathi giki gigathanganio guku bururi-ini. Grifuatana Inoro TV kuma Bomas ko Nyiro Fire Torekona Masharia wa Gashuru.